Hi, so this is Evented. So first we can sign in with Google and it'll give you to lead you to this page. Here's our client ID over here in the URL. So we go to Evented. This is the privacy policy and terms of service right here. And back to this page, we see that we should be able to access this, view and edit events on all your calendars. So continue, and you'll see that you're signed in now. So the way this application works is first you also have to go to settings and put your API key. So I'll copy that right here and specify this model. I saved it, and let's go to this example here. So this is a random event, and if I want to go here and I want to save this to my calendar, I could just copy this text and create from highlighted text. It's gonna create it and show you a hyperlink that you can click on to view the event, and this is the event right here. So one thing to note is that because there's no end time, it basically just does 1 hour after this start time, which is 2 p.m. So you could just extend it however much you want, or if this is a completely incorrect event, you could delete it. This is one way to do it, and there's also another option here where you could paste your text. Maybe you have event details in another application like Outlook. So I'll just type something like party tomorrow at 6 to 10:30 p.m. And not a lot of things are specified here, but it'll still create an event called party 6 to 10:30 p.m. and tomorrow is August 4th. So that's functioning. Another test case is when you have, really no event details, um, no event details that you're sending in. So if that's the case, it'll create an event with some default arguments. So unspecified event, and it's just basically like an all-day event. You could easily delete this, and it's on the day of. So whenever you create the event, it'll create that event on that date. So those are the default settings for the event. Now we can sign out of Google, and when we sign out of Google, we are basically no longer able to create an event. So event tomorrow at 6 called party. We can't create this event, but it will lead us back to this page where we have to verify, and now we have permissions, and now we could create the event. So we're signed in now, so we can sign up. So that's how my application works. Thank you.